Citi first came to Belfast in 2005, and over the 17 years we've expanded the site as a whole, and particularly with technology we now make up approximately a third of the site with over 1,000 roles. We challenge the status quo that you have to come from a traditional background, particularly for coding.
For the past 12 years I've been working primarily as a project manager. Very recently I completed a Masters in Software Development. Making the change in career to software development after 37 years, I feel like I finally have a career. They tailored the role to my individual needs, and it's something that I've been an advocate for.
So I took a 5-year career break, and when I was coming back to work, it was very important to me to have a good work-life balance, and my manager allows me the flexibility to adjust my hours to work around my family life and my work life. The Citi culture is also fantastic. We have groups that cover any interest that you may have.
We've over 40 nationalities represented at the site. We've affinity networks representing all of our key groups. We also have internal programs that really focus on talent development and driving people's careers forward.
From my experience through the grad programme, I was able to focus on Java as a predominant language, but also get exposure to other things like Python and SQL, and build on them skills that were new to me.
There's many opportunities to work in different roles, in business analysis, in production support, in UX, for example.
Citi encourages engineers to keep on writing code and keep on being engineers who not only stay on top of the latest and greatest technology, but they also attend many forums and help drive and set the direction that technology is travelling in.
Now we're very proud to say that from Citi Technology Belfast we lead a huge number of global projects that impact people across many different countries. But also more importantly, we engage with over 4,500 students each year to educate them in financial services and technology. And really, as our CEO says, we champion excellence, but we also are a bank with a soul.